Okay, guys, if you have been looking for a way to make money consistently on daily basis, then you should watch this video to the end, because right here I will show you how you can analyze these charts one after the other and see how you can make up to $200 trading any of these assets. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay, so I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis from here. So if you are also having, you can follow up with it. Okay, so this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame, and this had been on downtrend for a while. It sold for a very long time till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there, just the way we are seeing it. It kept on buying, broke out from this particular resistance zone at this spot, and of course we got to this region and also broke out above it, and it has gotten to a new resistance zone, played around there for a while before trying to break out above it at this point. Okay, so if it breaks out that way, then it's going to buy more. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, so if it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it should come back on downtrend, and we are most likely to see it selling back till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, this particular region, and if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so we should take note of all these. Okay, and once it breaks out from here, then it should be coming down to this spot. Okay, so these are some highlighted areas that we should look out for, but for now it is still very much on uptrend because it has been buying. Okay, so and of course it is at the resistance zone. I mean, it has overbought already, but it is still buying. Okay, so if it gets to the next resistance zone and if it's unable to break out from there, then it will start selling, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. This actually went on downtrend and got to this spot, was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there, broke out from this last resistance zone to get to this region, but was unable to go further, so he's having a pullback. If it's unable to get back to this resistance zone again, or probably break out above it, then definitely it will go fully on downtrend. But for now it is still very much on buy trend than sell trend. Okay, so this is very important, but if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, this particular one, then definitely it will go back on downtrend fully, and we are most likely to have it at this spot. Okay, so it's going to sell till we get to this spot. Okay, so if it breaks out below that, then definitely we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so we should take note of all these so that we can take advantage of the market right from there. So, and of course if it breaks out from there, we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, so that's very important, so we should take note of all that and use it to milk the markets together. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, but was unable. It broke out from this particular support zone to get to a new support zone, so it's unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there, so this is going to be buying more. Okay, so we expect it to get to this region, and it's almost got there before having this pullback, so it will still go back there and get there. Okay, so once it breaks out from there, it's going to, we should be looking at somewhere here. Am I right? Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, so this is very important. We should be looking at somewhere here, and once it breaks out from there, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the market right from there. So this is going to be a very long buy. However, there will be pullbacks in between. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be crash 500. This had been selling right from here, but it got to this particular support zone and was unable to break out from there. So and if we should look at the chart structure, okay, this actually got to this point and of course went back up, came back down, and it's going back up. So this is kind of forming it's forming a kind of W stuff, and of course we expect it to get back to this region first because it's going to buy. Okay, so we expect it to get back to this region. Once it breaks out above this, then we are most likely to see it around here. Sorry, we are most likely to see it around here. Okay, so this is very important, and if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to go back to the resistance zone at the top totally. Okay, so this is very important. So this is a W structure, guys. It's going to be giving us some buy, so we should take advantage of it right from there. So I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.